Hi, guys. This is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that we can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is a question which is on routes, networks, and paths. It's a pretty reasonably large question. I would suggest pause this video, look at the PDF. Link is available in the description of this video. Once you have tried this set on your own, then only proceed with the rest of this session. In Goa, the two main cities are Panjim and Margao. The following route map shows the time taken in minutes to travel and the cost in rupees mentioned in parentheses from Margao to Panjim. For example, to travel from Margao to Kolva, okay, it will take 30 minutes and the cost 17 rupees. So this is your time and this is your cost. Cost is in rupees, time is in minutes. Right? Arrow shows the direction of traffic flow. So from Margao, you can go to Kolva, then Benolim, then Kurtali, then Bamboli, and then Panjim. Similarly, you can also take Margao to Nuve, to Benoli, to Kurtali, Bamboli, and Panjim. Then Margao, Nuve, Verna, Kurtali, Bamboli, Panji. And multiple routes are available, right? And you have different travel times and different costs will be available. Nothing much to do with this, right? And if you look at the questions, question says the amount of time taken in minutes to travel from Margao to Panji by incurring the lowest cost. If there is something, so an additional condition, Bosco wants to travel from Margao to Panji in at most 90 minutes and not incur more than 85 rupees. How many ways can he complete the journey? So basically we have to look at each possible travel cost, each possible travel time. So let's first list out what are the different routes which are available. So one route will be, let's try from Margao to Kolva. Let's see how many routes are available. So you have Margao to Kolva to Benoli to Kortali, to Bamboli, then to Panji. Okay, nothing else from if you go towards Kolva. Right, next one is towards Nuve. So you have Margao to Nuve to, now from Nuve there is two bifurcation. So you can have Benoli or to Verna. Let's try Benoli. Now from Benoli everything is constant to Kortali to Bamboli to Panji. Right. The other way to do it is from Nuve, you can go to Verna. Now from Verna, the only way out is Kortali, then Bamboli, and then Panji. Okay. So we have done Nuve. Let's go to Raya. So Margao to Raya. Now from Raya, you can go to Verna or you can go to Ponda. Okay. So from Verna, there is only Kortali, Bamboli, Panji. So Verna, Kortali, Bamboli, Panji. The other way to go from Raya is you can go to Ponda. Now from Ponda again there are two routes, one to Bamboli and one to Ribandar. So you can go to Bamboli. So Raya to Panji, Ponda, then to Bamboli, then Panji, and then from Raya to Ponda to Ribandar to Panji. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 routes are available over here. Now I need to calculate the costs and the time taken, because for every question to be able to solve this, I need the cost and the time taken. Now we need to be a little clever. If we calculate one of the costs, the other cost can be manipulated pretty easily with this. I'll show you how. Let me just write this down a little concisely. So let's calculate the first route cost, right? The Margao, Kolwa, Benoli, Kortali, Bamboli, Panji. So you have 30 plus 20, 12, 42, 42 plus 22, 64, 64 plus 33 will be 97. So that will be your total time. Now let's look at the cost. 17 plus 8, 25, 25 plus 17 is 42, 42 plus 19 is 61, 61 plus 15 is 76. Now I've calculated for the first route. Now, once you have calculated the first cost, right? Now the succeeding costs can be done in a reasonably easy manner. Now, if you look at the first two routes, right? So the only difference is Margao, Kolwa, Benoli, and here it's Margao, Nuwe, Benoli, right? How much is the change here? 30 and 12, so 42. And here it is replaced by 18 plus 15, 33. So you save 9 minutes. So 97 minus 9, 86, 88 minutes. 97 minus 9 is 88 minutes, right? How much cost is saved or changed? This increases by 6, this increases by 4. So total increase is 10. 76 plus 10 will be 86. Similarly, if I do it for the next one, now from Margao, Nuwe, Benoli, Kortali, it has gone to Margao, Nuwe, Verna, Kortali. So this will be the gap. From Nuwe, Benoli, Kortali, it has become Nuwe, Verna, Kortali. Right. So here the total time is 37. Here the total time is 43. So it's a rise of 6. 88 plus 6 is 94. Similarly, here this cost is the same, whereas this cost is dropped by 8. So overall it will drop by 8. So it will become 78. 86 minus 8, 78. Similarly, I can do it for Raya, Verna, and Ponda as well, right? I'm not doing this because it's pretty straightforward. It'll probably take you another 2 minutes from what I've done as of now. So you'll reach a scenario like this. I've written this down neatly. Once you've done this, each question now should be ticked off in a reasonably easy manner. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1, the amount of time taken in minutes to travel from Margao to Panji by incurring the lowest cost. I need the cost to be the lowest. So the bracket value should be the lowest. 76, 86 is higher, 78 is higher, 83 is higher, 88 is higher, 85 is higher. So this will be the value. Okay, what do you need? Amount of time taken. Time taken will be 97 minutes, right? Lowest cost is 76 rupees. Time taken is 97 minutes, right? Job done. Question number 2, if the travel has to be completed within 90 minutes, then what is the minimum cost of travel in rupees from Margao to Panji? It has to be completed within 90 minutes. So this is out, this is out, this is out, right? I need the minimum cost. So 86, 88, 85. 85 is the lowest. That will be your answer. Okay, next one. Bosco wants to travel from Margao to Panji in at most 90. So time should be less than or equal to 90 and should not incur more than 85. And the cost should be less than or equal to 85. How many ways to complete the journey? Less than equal to 90, this is out, this is out, this is out. Cost should be less than or equal to 85. This is out, this is out. Okay, only one particular route, the very last route. One should be your correct choice. And the last one, if the cost of travel time is defined as the cost incurred for every minute of travel time. So cost per travel time. So cost divided by travel time. So second value divided by the first value. How many routes have a COTT of less than 85 paise or 85%? If I take this divided by this, it should be less than 85%, right? You can again do a rough estimate. Now, 76 by 97 will definitely satisfy. 80, see, 76 by 95 is 80%. So 76 by 97 will be definitely less than 85%. Right. So this one satisfies. Okay. The second one is 85 divided by 86 divided by 88. Now, 85 divided by 100 is going to be 85 divided by 100 is what I need, but 86 divided by 88 is going to be worse. Numerator is higher, denominator is lower. So this is out. Next one, 78 divided by 94. Again, just visually you can look at it. It'll be about 82, 83%. You can check it out. 80% of 94. 10% will be 9.4. Right. 80% will be 8 times this. So it will be 72 plus 3.2. So 73.2. Right. And 5% value would be 4.7. So definitely 77.9. 76 is less than 77.9. So third one also satisfies. First satisfies, third satisfies. Okay, what else is there? 83 by 114 definitely will satisfy. Numerator is lower, denominator is higher. So definitely less than 85%. 85 by 81 will definitely not satisfy, and 88 by 81 will not satisfy, and 85 by 86 will also not satisfy. So 1, 2, 3, 3 of these values will satisfy. You don't even need a calculator for this if you know how to quickly estimate the ratios. So it's a moderate level question, but it's a lengthy question because you will have to calculate each of these values. So you have to write down the roots, then calculate each of these values, and then go and tick off one of the questions one by one. Now, it's not difficult, right? But you need to be extremely patient, especially when you're calculating the costs. See, there are two parts to it. People might mess up this part very easily. Interchanging time and cost. You need to be careful while reading the data as such. So you need to be diligent while reading it. In an exam situation, 10 to 12 minutes. But if you are patient for those 10 to 12 minutes, you can tick off 4 questions pretty straight away. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.